let's get packing. What is up, guys? TJ here with another episode of What the F Stop. Today we're going to be talking about what I think is my favorite travel camera backpack. This is actually the Polar Pro drone backpack. I don't know the exact name of it, but I will leave a link to it in the description section below. Also the first comment. So this is, I'm a little bit late to the party, not gonna lie. Because I believe this backpack's been out for about 2 years now. However, this is the first time I've ever had the interaction with this backpack. So I went today to Best Buy just to get like on a routine thing, and I went to try to find a backpack that would suit all of my needs. So you see all this stuff that I got on my table right now. This is all the stuff that I would normally pack whenever I go out of town. I've got my laptop. I've got my drone, I've got a couple of cameras, a couple of lenses, my Nintendo Switch because I'm a gamer. I have the DJI Osmo Pocket Action. I also have the GorillaPod, the Mavic Pro 2 controller, some Beats headphones, another little tripod, the Zhiyun Weeble Lab with the little tripod, and also a Rode microphone. So these are all the things that I would normally carry with me if I were traveling. But the problem is a lot of times I have to carry 2 bags because I have a bag for all of my camera equipment, and then I have to have a separate bag for things like the Switch, my headphones, sometimes my drone. I have to carry that in a separate case. So the reason that I said that I wanted to find a backpack that I could house all of my stuff in is because I would like to just have a backpack, just one backpack that I could have, take with me on the plane, have all my batteries and everything just in one place. So with this Polar Pro backpack, what they've been able to do is they've been able to maximize the amount of space that you have in this backpack. Now, this is a pretty hefty backpack, and I'm not going to tell you that it's not hefty because it is. It's pretty big. However, whenever you get everything in there, even though it is heavy with all these items in it, I do feel very comfortable with it. A lot of the things, the little features they have, like the straps that go around the front and the ones that go around your waist, they actually just help you hold the backpack up, you know, and kind of stand upright, and you don't have to keep moving your shoulder straps over your shoulders. So one of the other things that I really like about this backpack is it has the TSA the little buckle here where you can put in a combination and lock the backpack closed. However, TSA will be able to go in and unlock it themselves if they need to go through and check it and do whatever. They will have that access. So we are going to put this backpack to the ultimate test. These are all things, like I said, that I would normally take with me out of town. I'm a little bit of a travel hoarder. Whenever I'm traveling, I always have like more things than I probably need. But we're going to put everything inside of this backpack just to see how it all fits, and yeah, let's do that. All right, so let's go ahead and stick everything in the backpack. I'm just going to start at the top here. So the top of it will be more for your laptops and your iPads and different things like that. So as you can see, it's got 2 little pouches here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and stick the MacBook there, and then I'll stick my iPad right here, actually in front of it, and I'll close that up. I think that's all I'll put. Nope, actually I'm gonna take the Nintendo Switch and my, look at that embroidered Zelda case I got for it. We'll go ahead and pump that into the top of that there. Now I did notice this was like a little bit of a tight fit, so I may stuff that down at the bottom down there. All right, that is it for the front. Now let's flip this over to the back. Now if you notice, The back has some really cool ribs back here. And what this does is, this is like this right here is some kind of hard plastic or foam or something, but it's really comfortable on your back. It contours, it has a little bit of a contour. So when it sits on your back, it kind of matches the contour of your back. And I did find it very comfortable, even though once I put everything in here, it is going to be very, very heavy, like super heavy. I don't know how heavy it is, but I know it's going to be heavy. All right, so we will open this all the way up. Now, if you notice on the inside, it does come with this rain guard with the Pro emblem on it. So I'm going to use that for something that's not rain. You'll see that here in a minute. If you can see on the inside of here, it does come with a pouch here, and I've kind of configured it to how I would normally carry my stuff if I were packing this myself. So the first thing I want to put in here is my drone. Now I don't have my drone, I don't have like the gimbal guard on my drone right now, but it'll be okay just for the purposes of this video. I'm going to stuff this down in here nice and easy. So that fits in there very tightly, so I know that it's not going to move around and it's not going to break like the props. I have my full frame, the Sony a7R3. I'm just going to stuff that right here. Put that there. This is the Canon Rebel T6i. I wouldn't normally carry this with me out of town, but just for the purposes of this video, I'm going to stuff it in here because I'm using the rest of my cameras to film this video. We'll put that in that little case right there. I've got the Sigma 16 to 35 millimeter f-stop 1.4. We'll actually stuff that right there. This is the Sony 85 millimeter f-stop 1.8. We'll put that there. I have the Sony 50 millimeter f-stop 1.8. We'll stuff that in there. I have the controller. I've already taken off the little controller pieces, and I actually stuck those in here in the front pocket. So we'll stick that right here. Let's see, what else? I've got the DJI Osmo Pocket. I'm going to stick that in this little pouch here. I've got the DJI Osmo Action. I'll stick that in there as well. I've got a little tripod for if I need to put like the Action or the Osmo Pocket on there, I can have that there. Normally I'll also probably stuff like my wireless Rode microphones. I don't have one right here, but I would normally put that kind of stuff in there as well. Beats headphones. Normally I carry these when I travel everywhere. I can put those right there on top. And then I have, the Rode Go microphone. It's a pretty large microphone. Normally this is one of the problem childs when I'm trying to pack everything because I can't get that in there. It fits in there perfectly. And then I also have the Joby Gorilla Pod. I'm just going to set that kind of right here on top. Now I have the Zhiyun Weeble Lab, and what I do is I take this. So what I do is I take this rain guard and I put that just kind of on top here, just to kind of protect everything from scratching. And I'll put this right here on top, and then I will take my little tripod. I'll stick that there, and I close her up. That's everything. And then also one of the things that I like about this, I'm gonna flip around so you can see it. It has like some little feet on the bottom, and this is kind of like a sturdy bottom, so you can actually take this and set this down and it will not, it won't fall over. And that's everything that I had on this table packed into this backpack. Now, when you pick this up, it is going to be heavy. Like I said, it's heavy. It's not, it's not like going to be low profile or anything like that, but you can, when you have it on your back, you can go ahead and put these little straps on here. It does come like with a little strap right here on the front. It's kind of elastic. It has one down here that's going to go under my belly fat. I'll put that one on as well. But what this does is it allows the backpack to be a lot more secure whenever you are moving around. And different things like that. So that is going to be it for today, guys. If you like this backpack, you can get your own backpack like this. I will put a link to it in the comment section below, as well as in the description section below. If you like these types of videos, please like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Also hit that bell icon so you can get notifications whenever I release new videos. I will see you guys on the next one. It's gonna follow me now because I got it set on me.
Oh, well, let me move over there.
Well, it's gonna keep following my face because it got my face.
Hey, y'all! Subscribe! Faithfully subscribe, y'all!